Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to add a free currencies feature to your Woocommerce store. So with this feature, customers can easily switch between different currency. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first you have to go to your WordPress dashboard. Now go to the plugins and add a new plugin. Search for a currency switcher. Now you can see a lot of plugins, but may activate WPW currency switcher. Now click install now and then activate it. Now the plugin is activated. So let's take a look what the free version offers. So basically the free version offers a multiple currencies to your e-commerce stores, and it can automatically fetch exchange rates to keep prices updated. So let's move on the setup. Go to the settings of the plugin, or maybe you can go to the WooCommerce settings and then click on the currency tab, but I am going to the plugin settings. So here you will see your default currency edit. If you want to change it, simply select a different one. To add more currencies, click on add currency and enter options like USD, INR and Euro. After adding currencies, click get rate to fetch the latest conversion rates. If you want, you can show or hide the cents for all the currencies. So after making all these settings, click save changings. Now all the currencies are added to your store. Now move to the next option. Go to the option tabs. Under currency aggregator, you will see different API options. The last two are only available in the pro version, but the first three are the free and work well. So select any of the free aggregator to fetch conversion rates. If you want customer to change currency at checkout, enable this option and click save changings. So now we will customize the currency switcher, which will be shown on our website. So go to the front end switcher tab. Enable the switcher to display it on your website. Choose the switcher type that best fits your design. Now customize the switcher to match your theme style. You can change color, positioning and layout according to your theme. There are some advanced styling options which are only available on the pro version, but the free version still offers great customization. So do customization according to your theme and click save changings. So now let's visit the website and check if everything is working. So you can see the currency switcher is showing on the left side of the website, and when you click on any of the currency, all the currencies of the product and from the website will be changed. So you have successfully added a free currency switcher to your WooCommerce store. If you want to add this currency switcher on the header of your website, you can just copy the shortcode and paste it on the header. So for the shortcode, again go to the plugin settings. Here on the front end tab, go to the design display rules. Here you can see the shortcodes, PHP shortcode and all the pro version shortcode as well. The flag option is only available in the pro version. So if we want to display the switcher in the header or footer, we need to disable it from showing across entire website. Go to the display rules and copy the shortcode provided. We can now place this shortcode in the header or footer to control where the switcher appears. So the easiest and most flexible way to display the switcher is by adding it as a widget in the footer. So maybe in the footer or a header, but in this video I am going to show you how to add the widget in the footer. So go to the appearance and select the widgets. So under the widgets, you can find the widget, find the area where you want to add this widget. So I want to add it on the footer, so I will select the footer column 1. You will see existing widget like text ads. So below this I will add a new widget. Search for a switcher and select the currency switcher. You can also manually add the shortcode inside a text widget if needed. So once the widget is added, customize the setting. You can add the title as well. You can adjust the width here, and also display the currency as a text or a symbol. The flag option is only available on the Pro. Now click Save. Now visit the website. Now you will see the currency switcher display in the footer. So if we select any currency, so all the currency is converted to the USD. So yes, you can repeat the same process and add the switcher to the header using a header widget or a menu area. The free version provided a basic placement options, while the Pro version offers location-based automatic currency detection and more customization. So for the advanced features like flags, automatic geolocation and premium currency aggregators, you will need the Pro version. So that's it for today. I hope this video helped you. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and do comment below if you have any question. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.